More mas coca. Mate da coca. But this is the real one because you put the leaves here and inside is the tea. This is really good. I like this one. So mate da coca. I'm drinking too much of this stuff. I'll be hooked by the time I get back to Canada.